Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening y equals and entering the left-hand expression as a function. This is faster than writing relational text. Once done, press second test to pick the proper relational operator, less than, greater than, or the equal variance, and place it between the two expressions. Make sure the calculator is in the function mode you intend. If you want to shade regions, use y equals, or use an equivalent rearrangement into y greater or equal to 0 form, so the Ti can graph it as a function. Now convert the inequality into a function form. For example, rewrite x minus 2, 0 as y equals x minus 2 and interpret shading for y 0. Enter this expression in y equals. Use parentheses when fractions or minus signs appear so the Ti interprets the formula correctly. Then press graph to see the curve. To show the inequality region, use the successive press of second stat plot or use the draw menu to shade above or below. If you prefer, graph both border and test a point to confirm shaded side. Finish by refining the view and verifying the solution set. Use draw then shade, or the inequality app if installed, to fill the correct side of the boundary curve. Make sure window includes intercepts and intersection points. Zoom fit or zoom standard often helps. If the shading or curve seems wrong, pause and recheck your algebraic rearrangement, ensure you didn't flip a sign when multiplying by negatives, and confirm the mode is in func and not param or polar. Then regraph.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.